we have a special treat for you. Easter, of course, is this weekend, and this Foodie Friday, we have Chef Ruth Kennison from the Gourmandise School.
Gourmandise.
Gourmandise
Very
School.
français.
Okay, yes, very. She is here live in studio to help walk us through some easy Easter treats to make with the kids, with the family. How are you?
Good
Morning.
How are you?
This is awesome.
I mean, it's always a good day when we have chocolate, right?
100%.
Okay, awesome.
Let's start with just telling us a little bit about the school, some of the classes people can take there.
Absolutely. We are in downtown Santa Monica. We've been around since 2011. We have about 15 chefs that can teach anything you can imagine, from Laotian to Cuban to date nights to knife skills, and a lot of pastry classes, which of course are my favorite.
Yep.
And I am the in-house chocolatier, chocolate diva, and I also teach candy because we need to make something to dip our chocolate in, right?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, what a job.
Yeah, it's awesome. It's like every day I wake up a happy person.
Yeah, and kind of go through some of these items.
Definitely.
Tell us what we got here.
So what we have is a lot of chocolate bark. I'm calling it my Easter bark. So we have dark chocolate and milk chocolate, dark milk, white, and we have a combination of healthier pistachios, almonds. We have freeze-dried strawberries, or we can go with a more candy version. But we are all using all natural, so we don't want to have any artificial flavors.
Nice.
So I had to really find things that look like candy-coated chocolates that I won't name, but they don't have any artificial flavors.
Love it, love it.
So those are our barks. Everything you can do here, you have to learn how to temper chocolate with me. But if you don't learn, there's a couple tricks you can do. So we teach people how to temper chocolate so you can make all of these things. Or if not, we can add a little coconut oil as a cheat. So what else do we have?
I have to point this out, though, because first it was just this.
Yes.
And then you started putting the little eggs in, and I realized what it was.
Yes, let's put another egg on. No, this egg is not to be scoffed at. It's a white chocolate truffle. Oh. So that's what this is.
We're going to make something?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it.
So we're going to dig in here, and do you want to get your hands dirty?
Let's do it. Let's do it. Well, how dirty are we talking?
No, dirty enough to lick off after.
All right.
Roll it into a little tiny ball.
Okay.
I mean, the size of your egg.
So this is exactly what people will be doing.
So you make a ganache, which is chocolate, cream, and butter.
Okay.
And we're using really, really high quality chocolate. So we have our Cho chocolate that we use, and then other chocolates that are really high quality. Cream, butter, make a ganache, and then we roll them into what we call a truffle.
Okay.
And then we roll them in our colored cocoa powder, and we roll it around.
There we go.
And you can make pink, you can make blue. Again, we're using natural dyes, these yummy, beautiful natural food dyes. And we just roll it in.
Okay.
And then we've made an egg. Or we can taste it, because it's delicious. You want to taste it?
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, right?
That's good.
Because that's really high quality white chocolate. A lot of people think they don't like white chocolate.
I like it now.
But we have beautiful, beautiful white chocolate. Exactly.
Where can people go for more information as we're running out of some time here?
That's right. TheGourmandiseschool.com. And I think we have a coupon today. Maybe
Coupons are good.
I think it was KABC's 7 Easter.
Okay.
So for a discount.
Awesome.
And this is a peanut butter egg.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna eat all of these. I'm gonna get a plate and try them all. And our Shayla Girardin, she's doing the weather. She's been eyeing all of this.
Yeah.
Marshmallows.
Which one do you want, Shayla?
I want the peanut butter one.
Peanut butter.
Please.
And her favorite color is pink, so she's gonna.
Okay. You guys have a lot to eat today.
Chef Ruth Kennison, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you for bringing all this, and go to their website to get more information.
Awesome. Nice to meet you.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Okay.